Hi guys, welcome to the channel The Pro Coder. This is Amit and in today's video we are going to learn about magic number. But before going on to magic number, if you are new to this channel, then click on the subscribe button and don't forget to share this channel to your friends. So let's move on. So what is a magic number? You might have heard of many numbers in your childhood or in your previous classes like natural numbers, real numbers, integers and so on. But have you came up with a number called as magic number? No, right? So yes, today we are going to learn about magic number in Python. So what is a magic number? So instead of going through definitions and other languages, let's go on practically. So let's now take an example of a number that is 1, 2, 3, 4. Simple number 1, 2, 3, 4. Now what we are going to do here is we are going to split this number into single digits. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. Now we are going to make the sum of these 4 digits, which comes out to be 10. Now it's not stop here. We are going to continue this same step again because the result is a 2-digit number. We want the result as a 1-digit number, and that too the number 1, not any number except 1. So again 1 plus 0 will again give you 1. So yes, I have got the result here as 1. So this number, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, is a magic number. Now let's take another example of magic number, that is 55. Simple number 5 plus 5 will give you 10. And again we are going to split this number into single digit number. 1 plus 0 will give you 1. So again the result here is 1. That is a single digit number and the number 1. So this number is also a magic number. Again let's take an example of a random number, that is 63. So 6 plus 3 will give you 9, and that's a single digit number, so we don't need to continue it further. So 63 will give you 9, and 9 is not the number which we wanted. We wanted the number 1 at the end. So again this number is not a magic number. So I hope you understood the concept of magic number. But how to do it in Python? How to make the computer do the same function? So let's go and jump into the code. So here I have coded the lines here. So as you know, the first line indicates here inp equal to int input enter a number in double quotes. So what does this statement means? As you all know, inp is the variable here which takes the number from the user. So inp int because I want an integer number. Input, it's an input statement, syntax for that, and anything inside double quotes you will be knowing it is a display statement. So the second line here is if statement, if and else statement. If you don't know, then you can go and check on to my previous video. I have explained the if else statement and other condition statements as well. So here if statement, inside if statement I have taken the variable inp %n. Percent, as you know, will give you the remainder and division will give you the quotient. So I want the remainder as 1. So inp divided by 9 will be equal to 1. If yes, if this statement turns out to be true, then I will make the computer to print yes, it is a magic number. But if that number does not give a remainder of 1, then what? Then it will go on to the else statement and print not a magic number. So this was a simple code. I have used a simple trick and a number that which divides the variable, and if that variable gives you 1, this was a simple shortcut method to find an magic number. But you can use your logic and make the computer code out how to take on that number by taking on single digits. I'll give you a hint for that. You can take a variable as count and take on the length of that variable and then make that variable add the single digits till the remainder is not a single digit number, and that too a 1. So this upon you how to code that and logically. Now let's move on to the run statement. Now we are going to run this and check whether this is actually working or not. So okay, let's see. Yeah, it is asking me to enter a number here. So I'm going to enter a number, any random number here, example as 678. Okay, so yeah, I think by dividing this number by 9 will not give us the remainder as 1, so it is not a magic number. Again, let's check by putting actually a magic number. Okay, so I know some magic numbers. So out of that, one is 73. So 73, yes, it is a magic number. You can clearly see here 7 plus 3 is 10 and 1 plus 0 is will give you 1 only, so it is a magic number. Again, let's put on an example of another number, any random number, that is 10120557. Okay, so that is not a magic number. You can put on any number and that to any length until it proves successful for that integer one. Integer has a certain range of numbers from this value to that value, and all that it will take the number as well. So this was about magic number. I hope you like this video, and if you like this video, then click on the like button and also share it to your friends, and don't forget to subscribe my channel as well. Thank you.